Welcome back to a brand new video. But in this video, we're going to show you guys how to make your iPhone, your iOS phone, look like Android if you want to. So first, you have to go into Safari. Find that. Safari. You open that up. And then you go to www.itest.nz. And then you click go. And you have to do this on Safari. Then you go where the arrow is. You can see that. Go where the arrow is and tap that little button, the box with the arrow pointing up. And then you scroll down to add to home screen. Then you click on the top right, you click add. Then there it is on the home screen. You see there? You tap on it. Then you click next, and let's go. And then boom, you got yourself an Android phone like experience. It literally works completely. I mean, this is complete Android almost.
iPhone 7 and above.
iPhone 7 and above, it's all it works on. It doesn't work on the iPhone 6 or older, so bad luck for you if you have that.
Show them how it looks in different
Yeah, even the settings, it looks like this. If you have the iPhone 13, the 120 hertz won't work that well. Well, it'll work in the settings.
Yeah, tell them that's what phone you're on.
That's what phone I'm on, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you have the Pro, don't worry. The only difference between the Pro and the Max is size. And look, even the phone app, it looks like this. Isn't that crazy? It just looks, it's crazy. Because I used to be an Android user, now I'm an iPhone user, I want to go back. But look, guess what? Check this out. Now I can use this.
Best of both worlds.
Best of both worlds. And even this. Wait, no. Let's check it out. Utilities. Okay, that. Even the email. And even these messages, you got like robots. Like, okay. Like, you get a robot. And even, it even works. It's just crazy. I mean, sometimes it's a little bit glitchy. Oh, I typed it twice. Already. Anyway. And this one, strange. Anyway. So you get it, and there's even pictures on here and everything. You can add your own if you really want to, I think. You can have Samsung's navigation keys. Some of them don't work. And stuff like that. And that's also just an app you can just swipe up from the bottom and close it off if you want to. And, well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.